हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू साइंस क्लासेस। फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको लीगल पैसेज ऑफ स्टेनोग्राफी का शेयर कर रहा हूं दोस्तों। द स्पीड ऑफ 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स, स्पेशलाइजेशन ऑफ द लीगल। लेट्स स्टार्ट। देन 5 सेकेंड, 4 सेकेंड, 3 सेकेंड, 2 सेकेंड, 1 सेकेंड। स्टार्ट प्लीज। द स्टेट बार काउंसिल shall maintain separate account in respect of the advocate welfare fund, which shall be audited annually along with other accounts of the State Bar Council, and send the same along with auditor's report to the Bar Council of India. Stop. Provided that the Bar Council of India Advocates Welfare Fund Committee for the state shall be competent to appoint its own staff in addition to the staff of the Bar Council of India, Bar Council of the state, entrusted with duty to maintain the account of the fund if their fund are adequate to take such appointment. The salary and other conditions of the said staff be determined by the Bar Council of India Advocate Welfare Fund Committee for the state. Stop. Provided further that chairman of the Bar Council of India Advocates Welfare Fund Committee for the state shall be competent to make temporary appointment for a period not exceeding 6 months in one transactions if the situation so requires, subject to availability of fund in the said committee for making such appointment. The Bar Council of India shall utilize the funds received under Rule 41(2) in accordance with the schemes which may be framed from time to time. Stop. Section 5. Duty in imparting training. Stop. It is improper for an advocate to demand or accept fees or any premium from any person as a consideration for imparting training in law under the rules prescribed by the State Bar Council to enable such persons to qualify for enrollment under the Advocate Act 1961. Section 6. Duty to render legal aid. Every advocate shall, in the practice of the profession of law, bear in mind that any one genuinely in need of a lawyer is entitled to legal assistance even though he cannot any for not fully or adequately, and that within the limits of an advocate's economic conditions, free legal assistance to the indigent and oppressed is one of the highest obligation an advocate owes to society. Full stop. Section 7. Section on other employments. An advocate shall not personally engage in any business, but he may be a sleeping partner in a firm doing business, provided that in the opinion of the appropriate State Bar Council the nature of the business is not inconsistent with the dignity of the profession. Stop. An advocate may be director or the chairman of the board of directors of a company with or without any ordinary sitting fees, providing none of his duties are of an executive character. Stop. An advocate shall not be a managing director or a secretary of any company. An advocate shall not be a full-time salaried employee of any person, government, firm, corporation are concerned, so long as he continues to practice and shall, on taking up any employment, intimate the fact to the bar council on whose roll his name appears, and shall thereupon cease to practice as an advocate so long as he continues in such employment. An advocate who has inherited or succeeded by surveyorship to a family business may continue it, but may not personally participate in the management thereof. Full stop. He may continue to hold a share with others in any business which has descended to him by surveyorship or inheritance or by will, provided he dies not personally participate in the management thereof. Full stop. An advocate may review parliamentary bills for a remuneration, edit legal text, books at a salary, do press, waiting for newspapers, couch pupils for legal examination, set and examine question papers, and subject to the rules against advertising, and full-time employment engage in broadcasting, journalism, lecturing and teaching, subject to both legal and non-legal. Stop. Nothing in these rules shall prevent an advocate from accepting, after obtaining the consent of the State Bar Council, part-time employment, provided that in the opinion of the State Bar Council the nature of the employment does not conflict with his professional work and is not inconsistent with the dignity of the profession. Stop. The rule shall be subject to such directives, if any, as may be issued by the Bar Council of India from time to time. थैंक यू दोस्तों, थैंक यू वेरी मच। यदि मेरा वीडियो पसंद आए दोस्तों, आप मुझे सब्सक्राइब करना, लाइक करना और अपने डाउट्स मुझे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे शेयर कर सकते हो। थैंक यू दोस्तों, थैंक यू वेरी मच।